Hi guys, my name is Noni Matikela. Welcome to the Noni M podcast. We are still talking about the Senzo Meyiwa case, particularly a video that was posted by Usis Pet on her YouTube channel, The Real Mastermind Pet Patricia. And then she was having a conversation with Unjabulo, the Gaza Nation. Their guys, they were dropping bombs left, right, and center. And Unjabulo he will bring them records. He will bring them records and give you perspective that is proper. So we are reacting to that because it's quite interesting and it's shocking. It's really shocking things that are being said there. And yo, guys. Anyway, before we get into doing this, guys, please make sure you do not forget to like, to share, to comment. And most importantly, please make sure that you are subscribed on the channel. Please make sure that you are watching the videos up until the end and you are watching the ads that are coming through. When you are doing that, you are supporting this channel financially and in numbers. So please make sure. Guys, kindly please make sure whenever we post videos, please, when it goes to 9,000 views, can we also have 9,000 likes? Please. Can we also have comments up to 1,000 at least? 1,000 likes, 1,000 comments. Please, let's engage there. Unjabulo wants to hear your thoughts on everything that he brings to us. And then when you are bringing him questions, he will read them and then we will come and make a video when you guys are asking questions. So please, let's make sure. Thank you so much. When it comes to that, please make sure you engage as much as you can. You ask all the questions that you have, the things that you do not understand, the things that you need clarity on. Please make sure you do that. Ne? Thank you. Now, let's talk about this other part now on this video, because what the hell? Because what the hell, Dasekai? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Ay man, asinandaba nayo nathi sifuna le ndaba esikuyo. What happened now? Okay. So this is what is being said in this article. Njabulo that he reminded of us. It's from 2014, October, on the 28th, a front page that said, I saw Senzo die. Guys, there's a lot of things that you can find here. I saw Senzo die. So Senzo, where did he die? Didn't they say in the courtroom that he died in hospital? Yet someone said 28 October 2014, I saw Senzo die. I know, guys. Okay. This is the part that was quite interesting also that I need us to get into. Ne? Daily Sun. Daily Sun understands Senzo was about to leave the house to go to Sunninghill in the north of Joburg to Roy Mahamudza's birthday party when he was shot. A soccer star and close friend of Senzo's, who was at the party but who did not want to be named, told Daily Sun they were waiting for him to arrive. He called a few times to assure us he was coming, said the friend. He said Senzo's wife, Mandisa Meyiwa, was already at the party. Senzo was in contact with her. She told us he was on his way and we expected him. But then we heard Senzo wasn't coming anymore because he had been shot, said the friend. Mandisa is not coping at all. She is devastated. Yesterday, Kelly left her home after it had been condoned off by cops. Neighbors and friends said they were shocked to see the singer driving around in Senzo's BMW X6. This is unheard of. In our culture, we don't drive around in a dead person's car before the burial and the cleansing, said a shocked resident. Yesterday, a close friend said Mandisa was too emotional to speak. She is devastated. She was waiting for her husband to arrive at the party. She never expected to get a call to say he had been killed, said the friend. This is the dramatic one now. Daily Sun understood. Daily Sun understands Cyril Chikotwala's son, Longwe Twala, was injured during the shooting and is still in hospital. Guys, please, let me read that again for you. Daily Sun understands Silo Chikotwala's son, Longwe Twala, was injured during the shooting and is still in hospital. What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Excuse me, what? Wait, guys, let's talk about this. Didn't people say Mngomezulu is mad? Didn't people say Council Mngomezulu was crazy? Didn't people say Mngomezulu when he says, I've got a witness that is going to come and tell us that Senzo Meyiwa was shot and killed by Longwe Twala. And he, Longwe Twala, also got injured in the process, there by his ankle. Didn't Mngomezulu say this in the courtroom? And people were like, no, that's crazy, blah, 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 blah. Didn't Mngomezulu tell us this? Now, this is an article from back in 2014, and Udaily Sun said their understanding was that Ulongwe was shot, got injured in the process of that shooting. But in the courtroom, we are being fed another story that Ulongwe was not there when the bullet went, when the firearm went off. We are being fed that story in the courtroom. The courtroom of Rata doesn't know this, but it knows this through Mngomezulu, and he died while he was supposed to still prove it. Guys, note this, Mngomezulu died while he was in a process of proving this, and he had a witness, and there was a doctor also involved, and then there was an issue. Patricia even mentioned that there was an issue of a medical aid that was used that did not belong to Longwe to cover this situation of his Dondon. Guys, I remember people were going wild. They were wilding up. And then for us to hear this, Unjabulo remembers now, he mentions, guys, you will remember that SABC has a record where Ulongwe, esehlika kwi-X6, the one that where Ulongwe gets out of the X6, BMW X6, that belonged to Senzo Meyiwa. Ulongwe with Uzandi, I guess Kelly was the driver. They get out of that X6, and Ulongwe does not look or walk like someone who is injured. If this was the understanding that Ulongwe was injured, then that X6 Longwe coming in with an X6 with Uzandi and Ukeli, then that was intentional. That would be my understanding, that it was intentional. There was no mistake there. That was very, very intentional for the world to see Ulongwe walking like that, not injured. I don't know how medically they did that, but they did whatever they needed to do. If the understanding by Udaily Sun and what Mngomezulu used to say is anything but true. Otherwise, Tina, we're just reading what is there called Daily Sun, guys. If they want to come for people, they must come for Daily Sun. Me, we have nothing to do with that. They must really go for Daily Sun and ask them, why would they type things like that, print things like that? Because that's what they printed, that they understand. Daily Sun understands Silo Chikotwala's son, Longwe Twala, was injured during the shooting and is still in hospital. Yo, guys, this is a lot. That was the last line that they ended the article with. So, guys, I don't know. I honestly don't know what is this article. This article is saying actually what Mngomezulu was saying. That's what the article is doing. It's confirming what Mngomezulu was saying. Kuningi. That is all I can say. Kuningi, guys. Like literally kuningi. Yo! Yo! That was the bombshell that they dropped. After this was denied and denied over the years, this was denied and yeah, it's there hidden in front of us. The entire information regarding the Senzo Meyiwa case is just in front of us. In plain sight, guys. It's hidden in plain sight. I don't know what are your thoughts when it comes to this article and these revelations, because I'm shocked. I'm shocked. I didn't know there's such an article for starters. I had no idea that we had such an article, but Unjabs brought it and brought us to speed very fast, faster than me can blink. Yo, South Africa, Mzansi wethu. Yo. Why dropper inansika uDaily Sun like that? Ngala last line ukuthi Daily Sun understands that Chiko Twalasan, Chiko Silo Twalasan Longwe Twala was injured during that shooting and is still in hospital. Okay. I remember when Mgomezulu mentioned this, after that, Brigadier Kininda went around looking for this doctor. Went around looking for the doctor without being sent by anyone to go and look for the doctor. He went around looking for the doctor, the brigadier. Anyway, guys, please make sure you do not forget to like, to share, to comment. And most importantly, please make sure you are subscribed on the channel. Please make sure you are watching the videos up until the end and you are watching the ads that are coming through. When you are doing that, you are supporting this channel financially and in numbers. And I thank you so much. Guys, please make sure you engagement, guys. Please make sure you engage. Please make sure you are watching up until the end. Please make sure you are doing everything that you need to do when it comes to this channel. Please, guys, please support us, support the channel, watch the videos. Please spread the word, share the videos on your WhatsApp status everywhere. Just share them so that people can come and watch. Please, 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 please. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate you doing that. It will help the channel to grow. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.